Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, how to sign up and create a gig on WorkAsPro. WorkAsPro is a platform where you can offer your skills and services to potential buyers from all over the world. In this video, I will show you how to create an account, set up your profile, and create your first gig. Sign up and create a seller profile. You can sign up with your email address, Facebook account, Google account, or MetaMask. After you sign up, you will receive a confirmation email from WorkAsPro. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Next, you need to create a seller profile that showcases your skills and personality. Make sure 75% profile should be complete. WorkAsPro gig process is too easy, only 3 steps required for gig creation. Step 1. After you create your profile, add gig but connect MetaMask first. You have 2 network Ethereum and Polygon connected. WorkAsPro supported 2 networks, Ethereum and Polygon. Choose network, connect MetaMask, click next button, now click on connect button, finally you are connected with MetaMask. Step 2. Create a gig title. You need to create a gig title that describes what you offer in a clear and catchy way. Your gig title is the first thing that buyers will see when they search for your service, so make it stand out and relevant. Step 3. After you choose a category and adding description, then you need to choose token. Choose token for payment. Fill the following box as well. Add description about your offer. How many days required for services/job. Revision. Your services charges/price. Step 3. Upload images or videos of your work and click on create button. Click on save and continue to publish your gig. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first gig on WorkAsPro. Now you are ready to start selling and earning money online. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money on WorkAsPro. Thank you for watching and happy selling.